AppSumo Review. AppSumo is a popular platform offering lifetime deals on software, tools, and digital products. It's a favorite among entrepreneurs, small business owners, and marketers seeking affordable solutions to scale their operations. Here's an in-depth look at AppSumo to help you decide if it's the right for you. It has lifetime deals like one-time purchases for software and tools, diverse categories like tools for marketing, productivity, and design, and e-commerce. Refund policies such as most deals come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. It has a $99 per year subscription for exclusive perks and honest feedback for the AppSumo community to help you make informed decisions when you are trying to find the community-driven review. But it is an overwhelming choices such as the sheer volume of deals that can make it hard to decide which tools are worth buying. Quality varies. While some tools are exceptional, others may feel underdeveloped. No lifetime guarantee, and it is limited to big-name brands. So it is ideal for entrepreneurs, startups, and freelancers. Small business owners aiming to scale their operations, and tech enthusiasts who enjoy discovering and experimenting with new tools. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.